On parle d'un pont toujours en sentier entre les deux rives de la Garonne. Ceci pourrait porter le nom de Toussaint l'Ouverture dans la ville lumière. Aux États-Unis, une autre proposition est déjà en vigueur à Albany, dans l'État de New York, où les législateurs ont fêté notre bicolore à l'occasion de son anniversaire. Haïti, c'est première république qui toujours portait bien haut, fa liberté. Pour me répéter ça, un congressman américain écrit. Gouverneur Andrew Cuomo et les législateurs réunis en assemblée ont décidé de proclamer le 16 mai 2012 journée de l'unité haïtienne dans l'État de New York. Dans cet ordre d'idées, toujours à la dimension de sa discipline, le consul général M. Charles-Antoine Forbin et le consul des presses et communications M. Wilner Quebro se sont envolés bien vite pour ce rendez-vous au carrefour de l'histoire avec leur chef de presse, M. Gary Altidore, au Capitole d'Albany. Consul général Forbin chita côte à côte avec consul Quebro pour y régler causer communauté et desservir. C'est la première fois un consul général haïtien pral rentrer dans le palais législatif dans Albany, côté le pral demander législateur new-yorkais pour aider consulat à augmenter service la baille communauté haïtienne. Li bon pour nous tendre à quoi ça pral fait là et m'ta souhaité ne pas jamais oublier. L'heure est arrivé dans le palais législatif là qui fait à granit et marbre, accueil c'est ça qui pas te manquer.
How are you? Very good to see you. Very good to see you. My husband Steve.
How are you doing, sir?
Sir.
Charles Forbin. Pleasure.
Here on these walls, you see all the governors. See there the paintings of all the governors there.
Hi, I'm Senator David Carlucci, and I'm honored to be here with Consular General of Haiti, Charles Forbin. And Charles Forbin has been very innovative in trying to reach out to Haitian Americans around New York State. And he's going to tell us a little bit about what he's been doing to really reach out and get the people that need the help.
Thank you very much, Senator. Thank you for having me here on the New York State Senate. And I would like to say thank you to Governor Cuomo also to proclaim May 16 as Haitian Unity Day. And it's been the third time, that is the third annual. And it's the first time that the Consul General of Haiti have been here. So thank you for having me. And as the Consul General, when I came to the consulate in November 2011, we took a lot of good initiative. Thanks for the president of my country, Mr. Joseph Michel Martelly, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs, who had great confidence of me coming to this position because they know my background into customer service and also that the customer is always right. So I try to serve my compatriots, the community, as well as I can. So we took some good initiatives. We decided to open the consulate on Saturdays and also to do extended hours. We don't close the consulate at 4 anymore. We leave it open until 6. And we do elderly services. We send a consular agent to their house and then to get their legal documents or a passport, whatever they needed. And then whenever their papers are ready, we send it back to their office. And the other service that I would love to have for the community is to have satellite offices, because it's really difficult for our community to come to the city in Manhattan. So we'd love to have consular agencies like they have, like it mentions on the Vienna Convention of 1963 that was adopted in 1967, that a country who is in the United States or overseas is allowed to have consular agencies. So with that, I would love to have a consular agencies in Rockland County, New York, and Irvington, New Jersey, Norwalk, Connecticut, so we can serve the community better. And also, we would love to have it in Long Island as well, because there's a strong community there. And with that, I asked the Senate, and I also a couple of senators, and with your help also, that we can move this forward.
Right. Well, thank you so much for your commitment to our state and to the people around our country. Haitian Americans have made up such a strong part of New York, so it's so great to have an energetic Consular General like yourself. So thank you for being here and look forward to working with you.
Thank you very much, Senator. And I know my community, we are hard workers and we believe in doing good. So thank you for having us.
All right, thank you. Good to see
Thank you.
Great.
Calendar number 4593 by Senator Carlucci, memorializing Governor Andrew M. Cuomo to claim May 16, 2012 as Haitian Unity Day in the state of New York.
Senator Carlucci.
Thank you, Mr. President. I rise today in honor of Haitian Unity Day in the state of New York, and I'm honored and privileged to represent a growing, vibrant Haitian community right in Rockland County. But Haitian Americans have contributed so much to the state of New York for so many years with great advancements that they've put forth, but also in just the cultural traditions that they share with all of us around the state of New York. Today, I'm also honored and privileged. We have with us Charles Forbin, who's the Consular General of Haiti, who's with us here today. And this Consular General has been very innovative, hasn't been just the status quo, but has really sought to reach out to Haitian Americans throughout New York State, particularly in Rockland County, but not just in Rockland, throughout the whole state. He's staggered the hours of his office. He's allowed there to be Saturday hours. He's even allowed accessibility for the elderly, for the handicapped, to be able to submit legal documents by a representative. But what he's also working on is to branch out from just his Manhattan office and open satellite offices, trying to do that in Rockland and Long Island. So his contributions to help the people of the state of New York, the people of Haiti, is much appreciated, and we really appreciate you being here. And with that, I look forward to the continuation of a growing Haitian community in New York State. And with that, it's an honor to have you here today. And Mr. President, of course, I'll be voting yes on the resolution. Thank you.
We want to welcome our distinguished guest, Mr. Consul General. Welcome to you. We extend the courtesies of the House to you and to the members of your delegation. And Father, thank you for being here today also.
Assemblyman David Weprin from Queens. We have a large Haitian American population. Dominican Republic.
I represent.
Consul Kebro te fait un devoir lui-même pour te chercher information qui disponible et consul général Forbin te joindre en pile honneur bon côté assemblée. C'est madame Hélène Jaffi qui te recevoir consul. Secrétaire assemblée, alors madame Jaffi te prend la parole pour te dire. Moi vini jodia pour nous reconnaître résolution ça que gouverneur Andrew Cuomo te fait passer pour jour 16 mai 2012 là, car était jour pour unité tout haïtien dans l'ordre et justice sous Tessa et dans le monde entier. Pour en pile contribution haïtien poté et pour nous reconnaître tout l'autre haïtien qui fait dans les États-Unis. Sous notre ça, c'est avec un pile plaisir m'a introduit honorable consul général Charles-Antoine Forbin. C'est président Michel Martelly qui était nommé dans le mois de novembre 2011. Et puis, l'Elvini, il a décidé pour faire le travail dans le consulat vin pilong et encourager les employés à faire plus bon service dans divers départements en dedans consulat. Comme ça, service spécial vient entrer dans l'ordre côté chaque samedi, un consul toujours là pour l'albaï service à domicile à moun qui âgé et handicapé. C'est première dame, madame Michelle Sophia Martelly, qui demandé spécialement pour ne pas négliger vieillards et handicapés. Pour le département culture, art et commerce, l'invité artistes haïtiens viennent exposer travail dans le consulat côté tout le monde kawe zevio. Kounia office là ouvri le samedi sous juridiction consul général là, nous t'a souhaité Rockland County joindre même service là, New Jersey, Connecticut, Long Island t'a content tout. Moi très satisfait de l'introduction ça que m'a fait dans non-assemblyman yo et à tout l'autre yo qui là tant pour assemblyman Kenneth Zibowski qui sorti dans la Clinton County. Consul général ça qui a travaillé avec président Mantelli responsable pour le montrer nouvelle initiative yo comme création travail, environnement, énergie et éducation. Honorable consul Forbin qui a travaillé ensemble avec représentants élus pour assurer responsabilité consulaire pour communautaire. Merci, Mr. Speaker. Moi souhaite que vous accueilliez et baillez un privilège spécial sous Flossa en dans la House représentative là, une belle bienvenue à Consul général Charles-Antoine Forbin.
We're here to congratulate you, Consul General. I saw you just out the door, and I know that everybody here was excited to have you here. We know that your community is a vibrant, growing community in the state of New York, and we're continuing to be that vibrant community that continues to grow in New York City and outside of New York City and throughout the state. So,
thank you, Mr. Speaker. I also rise to add my voice to those of my colleagues here in welcoming the Consul General to our chambers. As someone that was born and raised in the island of Quisqueya, also named Haiti by the natives there, I have had the pleasure of working very closely in New York City and New York State to respond to tragedies that had affected both the Dominican Republic and Haiti, hurricanes, the earthquake, and I must say that it is both countries that are forged with one history, and we look forward to continuing to strengthen both people, the Dominican Republic and the Haitian people, for a brighter future for all in that wonderful island. So welcome, Consul General, and we ask, Mr. Speaker, that you afford all the cordialities of the House.
gladly, Mr. Linares. As you can see, my colleagues are quite familiar with your country and recently with the issues that have affected your community here and on the island. So on behalf of Ms. Jaffe, Mr. Perry, Mr. Linares, the Speaker, and all my colleagues, please accept these. Thank you for being here. Please accept the privileges of the floor and come back soon. Thank you for being with us here today.